Imagine knowing exactly what happened on site without chasing updates, photos, or field reports. Welcome and thanks for your interest in Versatile. In the next few minutes, we'll break down why Versatile matters, how it works, and what it can do for your business. We'll start with the real-world pain points we hear from steel contractors, especially those stuck being the go-between for field and GC. We hear, "I'm constantly working to communicate project status. I'm keeping operations in order, training and deploying best practices in the lift zone. I'm being a negotiator, needing better backup for T&M tickets, and more. I'm controlling the past, present, and future." So this is huge for calculating, reporting actual production rates, and then again using this information to feed your machine from the actuals on site to your next estimate and bid. How we do that? We have a below-the-hook rigging device. We are partnered with 𝐘𝐨𝐿, the world's leading manufacturer for rigging, lifting, and material handling applications. We fabricate the Versatile passive data collection device out of their facility in Tulsa, Oklahoma. The core of our device is wrapped around a 𝐘𝐨𝐿 load cell, its 55-ton capacity. Then we partner that with an array of sensors similar to what you'd find in your mobile phone, such as GPS for location, load cell for weight, computer vision, which captures an image every 10 seconds. Using this information, we're able to put the data points together and understand what was on the hook, when it was on the hook, and what process is occurring. We process this with Versatile, and we're able to surface insights and reports. There's a variety of use cases. We generally break this down into plan and actuals, then operational functionality. That's Versatile, taking the guesswork out of your job site and giving you clarity you can act on. No extra work, no chasing updates,